In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order more than one item on Amazon. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. You'll land on the homepage where you can browse millions of products. To make searching easier, use the category options. Hover over or tap the departments or all menu, then choose a category that fits what you're looking for. This helps narrow the results so you're not scrolling through unrelated items. For example, if you're after tech, head to electronics and look for mobile phones. Once you're in the right category, explore the results and open a product that interests you. On the product page, take a moment to review the details. Check the model, color, or storage options, and read a few recent reviews. Make sure the price, shipping details, and return policy meet your expectations. When you're satisfied, choose any required options like size or color, then click Add to Cart. Adding to your cart doesn't buy it yet. It simply saves the item so you can keep shopping. Repeat that process for every item you want. You can stay in the same category or jump to a different one. For instance, add a phone, then search for a case or charger, and add those too. Each time, confirm you've selected the correct variation before you add it to your cart. When you're done, go to the top right of the page and click the cart. This shows everything you've added. Here, you can double-check quantities, variations, and prices. If you need two or more of something, update the quantity using the drop-down next to that item. If you change your mind about a product, remove it so your order is exactly what you want. If you see an option to select all items in your cart, use it to make sure everything is included in the checkout. Next, click Proceed to Checkout. You'll move to the checkout page where you confirm your order details. Choose your payment method from the available options. This might include a card you've used before or a new one you enter now, as well as gift cards or other supported methods. Make sure the information looks correct and review the order summary so you know the total you'll be charged. Finally, click Buy to place your order. After a moment, you should see a confirmation screen with your order details. If your items come from different sellers or warehouses, you might see separate delivery dates, but everything will be managed under this one checkout. That's it. You've successfully ordered more than one item on Amazon.